Welcome to the Grundfos SCALA2 video installation guide. Today, we'll show you the simple steps required to install the Grundfos SCALA2 pump to a domestic rainwater tank. Before you begin the installation, ensure you have read the installation and operation guides that came with the pump. You should also check any local regulations that may apply before installing your pump. Next, ensure you have the right tools for the job: a plumber's wrench, a shifter, screwdriver, and some thread sealing tape, also known as plumber's or Teflon tape. Ensure there is an isolation valve fitted to the water source outlet. It's also a good idea to fit one to the discharge of the pump. This will help if you ever need to service your pump in the future. Grundfos recommends a covered installation for the SCALA2 to protect it from the harsh Australian sun. Select a site near to an outdoor weather-rated power point and make sure there is a firm, flat surface on which to mount the pump, like a concrete pad or a pump cover base. For added security, the pump can be secured to the base. However, in most installations this is not necessary. Grundfos recommends using flexible piping from the water source to the pump and from the pump to the house or application. Wherever practical, install the pump as close as possible to the water source. Pre-checks complete, you are now ready to install the pump. Step 1. Install the pipework. Apply sealing tape to the thread of the inlet connection. This goes on in the same direction as you would screw on a fitting. Then, connect the flexible pipework from the water source to the pump and tighten. Apply sealing tape and connect the outlet pipework to the pump and tighten. Step 2. Priming the pump. Once all the flexible pipework is in place, you are ready to prime the pump. If the pump is attached to a water source which is above the level of the pump, simply open the isolation valve on the water source to fill the pump with water. If the pump is attached to a water source which is below the level of the pump, open the priming cap with a screwdriver and pour in clean water until water begins to exit the priming plug. Replace the priming cap and tighten. Step 3. Start up. Firstly, open the isolation valves from the water source and to the house or application. Next, plug the SCALA2 into the power outlet and switch it on. Press the power button on the SCALA2 control panel to start the pump. Finally, turn on the furthest and highest connected tap to bleed the air out of the pipework. You can adjust the pressure using the buttons on the control panel to set the perfect household tap pressure. You're now ready to enjoy your Grundfos SCALA2 for many years to come.